Okay, good day, guys. I'll be teaching us on how to trade on future trading. So, good day, guys. I will be teaching us on how to trade on futures trading. So you just on your data. We'll be using Binance as a case of study today. So make sure your Binance is funded with USDT. Make sure it's funded with USDT. If you don't have USDT on your Binance and you want to buy, there's a way you can actually buy via peer-to-peer, P2P on Binance also. Okay, let me teach you on how to buy peer-to-peer in case you just want to buy on Binance instead. You can get $2 from Binance, you can get $3 from Binance, you can get $4, you can get $5. It depends on how much you have at hand. So we just come to more. You look for P2P. This is P2P. Under convert, you click on P2P. So we are buying USDT. So you check the lower one you want to buy. You might want to buy for $28. You might want to buy for $209. You might want to buy. Okay, let's say you have just a little amount of money and you want to buy a lesser one, so you can just learn. There is $7 here for a lower price for 567 naira per dollar. So we want to buy this one. So you click on buy. So we are buying USDT right now. You type the amount you want to buy. So the amount is 4210. You click on buy USDT. So after clicking on buy USDT, order created, and your time, make sure you can see your time is growing. You see Binance is holding the seller's crypto in the escrow account. So now you have to proceed to payment. So when you proceed to payment, you have to pay to the person's account. So after using your phone to pay to the person's account, make sure you screenshot the receipt. Very, very important. And also note that your time is running too. So you come to transferred, notify the seller. So once you notify the seller after sending the money, make sure you send the money before notifying the seller. So once you notify the seller, he or she will accept the payment that yes, you've paid. Then the coin will be released to your wallet. That is all about peer-to-peer. So now we'll be proceeding to our future trading. That is after. Let me cancel this. That is after buying USDT. So you come to futures. This is where the real deal is. So we're looking for a coin to trade. We are going to be trading Shiba as a case of study. That is, you come here and you click on it, you type Shiba or the coin you want to trade. So we are using Shiba as a case of study. I'm coming, let me check something. Fuck, it's not recording again. Oh, it's still recording. Alright. We were on Shiba. 100% Shiba. So now up you see where there's isolated. when you open it, sometimes you see cross, sometimes you see isolated. Make sure it is on isolated. Click on confirm. Then there's something called leverage. This is your leverage. Some people might actually say leverage means how fast your money is going and how fast you're gaining. Okay, leverage determines how much you gain in a particular trade. As a beginner, it's advisable you put it on 10x, but as a pro, you can put 20x, 50x, 125x. It depends on what you want. So let's choose 20x. Okay. Here's what we call market price. That is CMP, current market price. For those that know how to trade sports, they know what that actually means. The current market price, it's after the limit. If you check by your right hand side, you see limit. I'm going to be teaching you how to trade on long. Note there's what we call long and what we call short. I'll be coming to that. Long is predicting a pump, while short is predicting a dump. Okay, before I proceed, please note that future is just like gambling. You can actually lose, you can actually gain. So just be very, very careful and don't use emotions while trading. Okay, let's continue. So look down, you'll see what there was TP/SL. TP means take profit, while SL means stop loss. Okay, so the if you can see the current market price is 0.037247. So I am going to be putting that this trade should take out my profit when the coin it is at 0.039, because right now it is at 0.037. Okay, then it should stop my loss and end the trade when the market dips to 0.035. You get, okay, like I want to sleep right now and the market is at 0.37. You can equally just put it that let this market stop the trade and take out my profits when it pumps to 0.39. That is you not being greedy. And let it stop loss when it dips down, when it's against, when the trade is against me at 0.035. So okay, the current market price has dipped already, so put it at 0.037. Let's put 180. Then the amount we want to trade, you just drag this here. If you check down, you see the price is increasing. I'm using everything. I want to use everything. So you can see down now the cost of my trade. Then you click on buy long. Once you click on buy long, the trade will activate. Okay, let me reduce my buying limit. It's dipping more. Let me see the trade. Let me see my candle. Wow, okay. 7170, 7177. Let me go with 7170. Let me just use a little amount of money. It is a test. So I buy. Once you buy long, order created, you drag it up, you come, it has entered already. Alright, it's dipping. So you can see once it's green, once it pumps, it starts gaining. Another thing is knowing the amounts you use in entering a particular trade. If you use a small money entering a particular trade, it's advisable you use from $2 upward in entering a particular trade. You get, once you use $2 upward, you gain massively. Had it been I used all the $2 I planned on using on this trade, now I should be saying like 0.30, 0.40, 0.50, thereabout. So this is how to buy long on futures. Next on is how to buy short on futures. How to buy long on futures. I'm coming. Okay. So let's just watch this a little bit. Okay. All right, let me close the trade.